ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡು. Get out from here. Get out from here. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome to our home. Welcome to our home. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ. Please don't tell her that. Please don't tell her that. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹಾಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. They need our help. They need our help. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತದೆ? What time does the class end? What time does the class end? ಅವಳು ಇಂದು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. She will not come today. She will not come today. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. He will not go anywhere. He will not go anywhere. ನೀನು ಬರಲೇಬಾರದು. You must not come. You must not come. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ದಿನಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. We must read newspaper every day. We must read newspaper every day. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ? How will they come here? How will they come here? ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಡ. Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her. ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was saying something. I was saying something. ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. She will not go. She will not go. ಅವರು ನಾಳೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. They may come tomorrow. They may come tomorrow. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. Don't threaten him. Don't threaten him. ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಕೇಳು. Go and ask anyone. Go and ask anyone. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am little tired. I am little tired. ನಾಳೆ ನನಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡು. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. She is married. She is married. ನಾಳೆ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಸು. Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. ನನಗೇನೂ ಬೇಡ. I want nothing. I want nothing. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. Please say something. Please say something. ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡ. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಎಣಿಸು. Please count the money. Please count the money. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಇಡು. Put it back where it was. Put it back where it was. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. There is somebody here. There is somebody here. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ. It's useless to go there. It's useless to go there. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಮಯವಿಲ್ಲ. He doesn't have time. He doesn't have time. ನನಗೆ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳು. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಫಲವಿಲ್ಲ. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.